Welcome back to Car Features. Today, we're diving into a machine that proves subtlety is optional when performance reaches supercar levels. The Mansory BMW M5 P850, a radical reinterpretation of BMW's latest G90 Gen M5 that turns an already powerful executive sedan into an unapologetic, the standard BMW M5. G90 is a fascinating car on its own. Despite its increased size and weight, it balances elegance and aggression with clean lines, muscular proportions, and that controversial illuminated kidney grille. Under the hood sits a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a plug-in hybrid system, delivering a combined 717 horsepower and 738 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers alone push the M5 firmly into supercar territory, proving electrification doesn't have to dilute performance. But Mansory has never been about restraint, and the P850 package throws subtlety straight out the window. This is the M5 for buyers who want to be seen, heard, and remembered. The headline upgrade is power. With Mansory's P850 tune, total output jumps to an astonishing 850 metric horsepower, translating to 838 horsepower and 848 pound-feet of torque. That's a massive increase over stock. And while Mansory hasn't released official acceleration figures, it's safe to expect a 0 to 60 sprint, hovering close to the 3-second mark. The additional power appears to focus primarily on the combustion side of the drivetrain. In factory form, the S68 V8 produces 577 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, while the electric motor contributes 194 horsepower and 207 pound-feet. Mansory hasn't detailed the exact mechanical changes, but revised engine mapping and optimized airflow are likely responsible for the dramatic gains, while the hybrid system remains intact to preserve instant torque delivery. Complementing the performance, upgrade is a new sports exhaust system featuring a distinctive triple-exit design at the rear. It's an unusual choice, but very much in line with Mansory's philosophy. The exhaust not only enhances the sound profile of the V8, but also adds to the visual drama. Even the engine bay gets special treatment, with glossy carbon fiber covering the engine block, reinforcing the car's exotic ambitions. Where the Mansory BMW M5 P850 truly separates itself is in its exterior design. BMW's own M Performance parts may be sporty, but Mansory's approach is deliberately outrageous. Forged carbon fiber dominates the body, accented by bold orange pinstriping and illuminated elements scattered across nearly every surface. The hood, grille, front lip, air intakes, winglets, mirror caps, side skirts, fenders, diffuser, and even the roof and deck lid spoiler all receive Mansory's unmistakable touch. Illuminated Mansory logos appear in unexpected places, adding a futuristic glow that ensures this M5 stands out day or night. Sitting at each corner are massive 22-inch glossy black forged wheels, perfectly filling the arches and paired with eye-catching orange brake calipers. The result is a sedan that looks less like a business express and more like a concept car escaped from an auto show stand. Inside, Mansory hasn't revealed a specific standard interior package, but customization options are extensive. Buyers can opt for bespoke upholstery, signature Mansory floor mats, illuminated scuff plates, and even a starlight headliner for maximum luxury theater. As with all Mansory builds, the cabin can be tailored to reflect the owner's personality, whether that means subtle elegance or full visual overload. Of course, this level of transformation doesn't come cheap. While official pricing hasn't been announced, the extensive carbon fiber components, bespoke detailing, and significant power upgrade will undoubtedly add a substantial premium on top of the BMW M5's near $120,000 starting price. For Mansory's clientele, however, exclusivity and impact often matter more than cost. The Mansory BMW M5 P850 is not designed to appeal to everyone, and that's precisely the point. It takes BMW's latest super sedan and amplifies every aspect, pal presence, and personality into something extreme. Love it or hate it, there's no denying its ability to turn heads and blur the line between luxury sedan and exotic performance machine. This is what happens when German engineering meets unapologetic excess. Thanks for watching Car Features, and we'll see you in the next one.